Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Steam on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.steampower.com and then press enter. This will now take you into the official Steam website. Now from this website, in order to install the application, just click on the Install Steam option at the top section. Then you will be taken into another page where you can select your platform. Just click on the Install button and it will automatically download the appropriate version based on your system. Now once it is downloaded, you can just go ahead and open it up and then scroll through the next buttons to complete the installation process for the Steam application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the Finish option, you can simply click on it and this will start opening up the Steam application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Steam application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.